Hi, this is Rick Orr, CEO and co-founder of Tabbed Out. Tabbed Out's a mobile application focused on allowing our end user to open, view, and pay restaurant and bar tabs directly from their own smartphone. Now let's see how the product works. Tabbed Out's available as a free download from the iTunes App Store and the Android market, with support for BlackBerry coming soon. When you first launch Tabbed Out, you'll be prompted with a setup wizard. The setup wizard will ask you to enter your name, credit card number, zip code, expiration, and you can optionally nickname it. Once you've added your card, the Tabbed Out setup wizard will invite you to add an email address. This email address is where we will send an electronic copy of your receipts. And that's it. You're set up and ready to go find a venue to use Tabbed Out. Once you've completed the setup wizard, select the home screen, and using the GPS-enabled nearby locations, Tabbed Out will find venues that are close to you. Here you can see, as we select a bar from a list of venues nearby, Tabbed Out allows you to provide feedback about that location. This goes directly to that location's management. Tabbed Out also offers an integrated mapping feature to help you get to a place if you've never been there before. Now we're ready to open a tab. Here you'll see the 99-cent convenience charge. Note that the first 3 uses of Tabbed Out are free. After selecting Open Tab, you will see a code that you will then present to your server, who will use it to verify your tab on their point-of-sale terminal. Now your tab is open, and you can place your order directly with your server or bartender. You can check your tab throughout the night by pressing the Tab Details button. Your check is itemized, and Tabbed Out keeps a running total. Tabbed Out also includes a convenient check splitting feature that allows you to make a partial payment on your bill. You can either enter a manual amount, a fractional amount based on the number of seats you're paying for, or select individual items to calculate your amount due. Tabbed Out will then update your tab after you enter the split. Once you're done, Tabbed Out will allow you to pay just your portion and will automatically calculate the tip and the tax due on your tab. Once you're finished, just hit Pay Tab. Tabbed Out will use your stored payment information to close your check, and you can leave the venue whenever you're ready. Tabbed Out also includes Cabbed Out. This is a feature that allows you to look up taxi companies near the venue. And don't forget to tell your friends about us by hitting the Tell a Friend button, letting your friends know that you conveniently and securely closed your tab. Now let's look at some other features of Tabbed Out. By selecting the History button from your home screen, you can view recently closed tabs. From here, you can also send a receipt of the tab if you've opted out of automatic receipts. This is also very useful for tax time and for expense tracking. The application offers an additional level of security called a payment passphrase. You can set this by simply going to the settings screen, choosing Preferences, and entering a custom passphrase. Please note the passphrase must be at least 4 characters long. So that's how Tabbed Out works. We're focused on bringing you a more secure and convenient way to pay at restaurants and bars. Remember, Tabbed Out's a free download for the iPhone and Android. Visit us at www.tabbedout.com or follow us at Tabbed Out on Twitter.